Hello, wellness seekers, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into a natural powerhouse that many of you might already have in your pantry or medicine cabinet, oregano oil. This potent essential oil, derived from the wild oregano plant, has been celebrated for centuries for its remarkable health benefits. We're excited to explore its many uses with you. Before we go any further, a quick but crucial disclaimer. The information shared in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking other medications. Your health journey is unique. Oregano oil is much more than just a culinary herb. It's a concentrated extract packed with powerful compounds, primarily carvacrol and thymol, which are responsible for many of its therapeutic properties. These compounds give oregano oil its distinctive aroma and its impressive array of health-supporting actions. It's truly a gift from nature. One of the most well-known benefits of oregano oil is its potent antimicrobial activity. Studies suggest it can help combat various unwanted microorganisms, including bacteria, fungi, and even some parasites. This makes it a popular choice for supporting the body's natural defenses. It's a true ally in maintaining a healthy internal environment. Beyond its antimicrobial prowess, oregano oil is also a powerful antioxidant. It helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules linked to aging and various health concerns. Incorporating antioxidants into your routine is key for overall well-being. Furthermore, oregano oil exhibits impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many modern health challenges. By helping to modulate inflammatory responses, oregano oil can contribute to greater comfort and systemic balance within the body. So how can you incorporate this amazing oil into your wellness routine? For digestive health, some people use diluted oregano oil to support a balanced gut microbiome. It can be particularly helpful during times of digestive upset or when seeking to maintain gut harmony. When it comes to immune support, oregano oil is a popular choice, especially during seasonal changes. Its antimicrobial properties can help bolster your body's natural defenses, keeping you feeling your best. Many find it beneficial to take a few drops diluted in water or a carrier oil. For topical applications, oregano oil can be diluted and applied to the skin for various concerns. It's often used for minor skin irritations or to support healthy nail beds. Always perform a patch test first and dilute it significantly with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, as it is very potent. Remember, oregano oil is highly concentrated. It should always be diluted before internal consumption or topical application. A common recommendation is to dilute 1 drop of oregano oil in at least 1 teaspoon of a carrier oil or water. It's also important to source high-quality, pure oregano oil from reputable brands. Look for products that specify the carvacrol content, as this indicates its potency. Always follow the specific dosage instructions provided by the manufacturer or your healthcare professional. In summary, oregano oil is a remarkable natural remedy with a wide range of potential benefits, from its powerful antimicrobial and antioxidant properties to its anti-inflammatory effects. When used mindfully and correctly, it can be a valuable addition to your natural health toolkit. We hope this deep dive into oregano oil has been informative and inspiring for your wellness journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health insights. Your support helps us create more valuable content for our amazing community.